The Porsche dilemma: electric push or lost momentum. Porsche's new electric Focus feels like the Titanic racing straight for an iceberg. Instead of listening to customers, they poured billions into projects with questionable returns, while letting their reliable moneymakers weaken. Last year, Porsche made a pre-tax profit of about €7.4 billion. But losses from extra investments in electrics and hybrids could eat up a big chunk of that pie. Right now, about 1,900 specialists are losing their jobs, and another 8,000 positions are at stake. Where Porsche went wrong. Macan. They stopped making new gas-powered versions of the Macan to focus on unreleased electric ones that aren't ready. 718 Boxster and Cayman. Updating the sporty 718 Boxster and Cayman got pushed back. 911, 911. They added hybrid tech to the iconic 911, messing with its pure driving character, a move many fans didn't want. Panamera. The new Panamera has questionable design choices and tech that hasn't impressed everyone. The Titanic Comparison. Remember in the Titanic movie? Waiting too long to steer doomed the ship. Porsche waited too long to turn from pure gas engines toward electrics. Now, the iceberg, changing buyer preferences, has seriously damaged the company's finances. What Porsche could do. Analyst Fabio Hulscher from Warburg Research thinks Porsche should follow BMW's lead. BMW builds electric cars and gas cars on the same production lines. This lets them react almost instantly to what buyers actually want. That kind of flexibility could have helped Porsche steer clear of this mess. One interesting thing. Despite this electric scramble, Porsche still makes huge money per car. On average, they bank about €30,000 in pure profit for every single vehicle sold. That's a number most car companies can only dream of.